Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change home screen grid on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, yung you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to home screen. And home screen, you can see the home screen grid. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, the home screen grid is set into 4 by 5. Okay, you can change the home screen grid into 4 by 6, 5 by 5, or 5 by 6. And okay guys, I decide to change into 5 by 5. Okay guys, after that, after you select the grid, you'll have to do is tap the save button to save the home screen grid on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the home screen grid on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.